No, stop making a cat noise. Come on now.
Oh.
Not a dog.
Meow. Oh, meow.
Bro, can you please stop?
Guys, please order.
Hey, can you guys send me a friend request?
Meow.
Yo, stop making
Hey,
that sound, bro. Act like your age. Don't act like a little kid, bro. Chill out.
where is Salman?
Yo, bro, I'm right here.
What's on YouTube, bro?
Bro, it's not me. Come on.
It is you. I got it on body cam. Don't lie. You started it.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I swear I was the one, but I just did once, okay? It
No,
wasn't me who
actually, you
did
do it more
continuous.
than one time. Like I said, I'm not going to argue with you. I got my body cam
No, no,
on.
stop,
I
stop,
mean, I
stop,
could go ahead and
stop
submit it to
lying,
the
man.
DFG if you really wanted me to. I'm not the one to be playing around with.
Okay, fine, ma'am. I won't do it again. Yo, guys, what's up? What's up? Why so serious?
Please, I need a trade sergeant online to come and give me a suit in HQ. Sam Max 4020.
He's coming again.
But don't worry about it. It's already getting taken care of.
So
Okay.
I need the hard hat for the colonel available for a pistol.
Thank you for letting me know.
I will get a hard hat to HQ real quick.
Alright, can you Shadow? Miss Russo?
What's up, brother?
Can I get the hard hat for the colonel for a pistol at HQ?
What's up?
It's already getting taken care of from yesterday. Before you joined, he started following me around and shit like that. Text me. So I already sent it to not Max, the other DFG. I sent it to him, and I sent it
Cordone.
to Max about that boy.
But you sent it to DFG Cordone.
Yep, I sent it to him. I sent it to Max.
I got you. As long as it got taken care of.
Oh, it's going to. Whenever he gets on, I'll definitely talk to him about that shit.
I'll kill his ass. What?
Nah, don't do it. It's not even worth it.
You know I will, though. That's the
I
funny
know.
part.
I know. But don't.